process circulation heaters. Process circulation heaters are a crucial component in many industrial applications, utilizing a combination of an immersion heater bundle and a pressurized pipe body, also known as a heater vessel. These heaters can be mounted either horizontally or vertically, allowing for flexibility in installation. By piping the heater in line with the process inlet and outlet connections, the air, liquid, or gas is efficiently heated as it flows through the system. The heating elements, typically made of metal sheathed nichrome, ensure 100% heat transfer efficiency, effectively transferring heat from the heater element to the process medium. A temperature sensor located at the outlet of the heater allows for precise temperature measurement and control, providing feedback to the control panel or plant control room. Each circulation heater is designed and manufactured to meet specific application requirements, taking into account factors such as design temperatures, pressures, and overall system parameters. Standard designs are available, with or without insulation, as well as tailored options to suit individual project needs. Sinton Group specializes in the production of top-quality circulation heaters, offering both standard and customized designs to meet the diverse needs of industrial processes. Whether you need a reliable heating solution for air, liquid, or gas, our circulation heaters are built to deliver optimum performance and efficiency.